To be able to customize your Windows 10 cursors, the first thing you need to download is a set of customized cursors icons that you can find online. I went to a Google search and I found this website which links the top best cursors that you could download, and you could go through the list. Once you find the one that you like, you could click on the link, and some of these cursors are found in deviantart.com. Once you go there, you could create an account and then click on the download button. I already downloaded a set that I want, so once you do that, you want to go over to Windows. In here you click on settings. Once you click in settings, you want to go to devices. In devices, you want to click mouse. On the mouse, you want to click additional mouse options. Click on the pointers tab. On the customize, you're gonna see several different type of cursors depending on which event. So in my case, I will click normal select, click browse, and then I'm gonna find my downloads folder, and this is where I found my customized cursors that I downloaded. So I'm gonna match the name here. So in this one, this normal select, so you click normal, help, working background, and then busy. Alright, so you can match the colors if you need to. Alright, and then once you do all of them, basically you click apply. Once you click apply, you're gonna see your cursor change, and that's basically how you change your cursors in Windows 10. If you have any questions, leave your comment below and please subscribe.